Hello everyone, welcome to Show Me Creeks. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video today. I'm going to kind of explain what I'm doing when I'm fishing and what kind of lures I'm using, my line, my pole. I get asked those little questions a lot and I just take it for granted because I've fished my whole life. So, I mean, I can just see somebody fishing and understand what they're doing and their thought process, and I understand it. You know, people that's never fished, they can't do that. So I'm going to try to help you guys out and see if I can't explain some of this stuff instead of just running it through my head. I'll try to speak out loud about what I'm doing, what I'm thinking. All right, in case anybody's interested, this is a Berkeley razor tip pole here. It is a 4-foot 6-inch ultralight. You can have 2 to 6 pound line on here. And right now I only have 2 pound line on there, but I will be changing that to probably 4 pound before too long. And then this one is a Xfinity Speed Stick Lose. It is a medium light action fast. And I got 6 pound braid on here, which I don't know if you should have braid on here. I'm pretty sure you should have ceramic eyes if you're using braid, but that's before I put it on here. After I found that out after the fact, basically. But we're gonna get in here and see what we can get here today. I'll probably end up changing out that blue crawdad, but I might just leave this on here. This would be my big bait reel. And this one I'll probably just use like some Ned rigs or Helgramite, you know, the huge. Let's get in here though, see what we can get. Woo boy. Ooh, that's ice cold, y'all. All right, let's just walk by here and see a little smallmouth. I'm gonna try to get him with this here. It's a Ozark Trail hammer hog. Got a little screw in hook there. It's a 3/0. Not sure quite what the weight is, but let's toss this out here. See if he'll get it. Missing a tail on there. Oh well. Got him. Nice. Let's try to keep him today. Well, not keep them, but you know. Oh. All right. Calm down, bud. Little largemouth. Nice little guy. I mean, see, they try to eat that. So you can throw big baits in these creeks, guys. This is a beautiful little largemouth though. Very nice. Wonder if that was the same one that hit it the first time, because he come back and got it again. All right. Today, as I'm walking up through here on the other side of these waterfalls, on the downside, I'm looking for deep pockets on either side. I'll be looking for structure in the water, rocks, trees, whatever. But most of the place is pretty shallow like this here, so that's the reason I'll be really focusing on just deeper holes and probably just be fishing those mainly. See, I'm constantly bouncing that rod tip. I do that with my finger. When I'm reeling it, I just constantly do this. And it just makes it kind of bounce just a little bit. I don't know if that ever helps me or not, but might be something for somebody to try. Doesn't even have to be much. I mean, if I can hit this and put a sound in the water where this thing's at, that'll still work. A lot of times they'll just react to the sound of something. I went ahead and put on this little bait here. This is a Ned Bug Crawdaddy. Got coffee scent in it. They typically hit this pretty hard. The smallmouth anyway. we go. Little long ear. Pretty guy. Go ahead and toss him back. There we go. Seen him come out there and get it. Slow down. Slow down. Oh, bit me. Beautiful little smallmouth. Red eyes. Very cool. Whoa. Let's go ahead and let this guy go. There he goes. Right there. Okay, I was like, where did he go? Well, I figured I'd got a smallie on that. They really do enjoy those. Look at this thing. What is this? There's a couple of them in there. I gotta come out and hit it real quick. Yeah, there's two of them with him. They're probably gonna get scared off here. Nope. Calm down. Oh. Alright. I'll put you back. Just calm down. Alright. Another pretty little smallie here. He's ready to go back though. Let's get him back in there and see if we can't get one of his buddies. Nice. Yeah, he ripped that. I'm gonna have to rehook it here. Alright, always measure it up like this. It needs to come out about right here. Shove it through and bring it out. Push it on up, boom, you're done. Alright, let's see if I can't get another one. Man, once you catch one, the rest of them, oh, there's one chasing it. I was gonna say, once you catch one, it's like the rest of them just turn off in that little area. There he is. I've seen this little guy come and get it. Very small. Oh, slow down, brother. Feisty. Oh, there he goes. It'd be okay. I don't want to keep them out too long. It seems like they get They're getting real sticky, like fast. So I don't want to keep them out of the water. I don't want their skin to be weird. Them to have some kind of problem later on. There's another one. A little guy. Got a little one with him too. Oh, he spit it out. Little guy couldn't stand it. Oh, come off again. Let me see. Yeah, that hook. Need to change that hook out before I lose a good one. All right, I got this tube on here. What you want to do is throw it out there, let it sink to the bottom, then you're just going to kind of bounce it back. Real little, bounce it real little. I actually do it different until I find what's working. Because what works right here might not work in the next hole even. Got him. Nice. Okay. Got him with the tube on that one. Calm down. Okay. Get this guy out of here and give him a good look. Well, he's a little shorter than the other ones, but really solid looking fish. Grab this other camera and we'll do an underwater release with this guy. Very pretty. All right, let's let him go. Oh, that was quick. Wasn't messing around. Let's try her again here. See if there isn't a big one in there. That's another thing that's really good for smallmouth, guys, is tubes. If you never use one. Boy, one of the first things I've caught a smallmouth on was a tube. You can get these tube jig heads. There's lead up in here, but you just put it up in there and shove it through there. Tie it on there. It's really good as far as hiding it, but definitely leaves it open to hook a rock or a tree or something. These bitty guys there. See that? I was looking up in this tree for a snake because they like to lay on these tree limbs. And if you look right there, there's one right there. See, you gotta make sure they're not. If you get under one of these trees in the water, guys, look. I mean, it's just a water snake, so it ain't no big deal. But could be something else. Anyway, I don't want one of those things falling on me when I'm trying to get my lure back. I don't know about you, but forget that. Oh, let's get this guy real quick. Foul hooked him. Ouch. Hold still, bud. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Sorry, bud. That sucks. That makes me not even want to fish. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Oh, got him. Very nice. All right. Beautiful guy. Whoa. Whoa, look at that pattern on this one. Very pretty. There we go. That's about the size they've been today. I had a few that was smaller, but overall, they're about that size in this stretch. That's fine with me. It's a pretty good size for ankle deep, knee deep water to me. There's another one. Look at that. They love them tubes, man. Calm down. Hey. Okay. Another pretty one. Whoa, it's definitely smaller though. Beautiful. Sun going. Quick to go too. He's like, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. There's some little bass right there that want it. I'm going to give it to him. There it is. That's a different one. Oh, that's pretty decent. Whoa. Decent little guy. I'm going to toss him back. I'm all wrapped up in this line here. Come on. There we go.